Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame.
Wait. Hey guys, September here, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Today is Vlogmas Day 20. To make this video lengthier and just good to go, I'm doing a giveaway, and the winners will be announced on Christmas. And so that means if I pick them on the 25th, no, I'm gonna pick them on the 25th, and then I'm going to announce the winners, I think after New Year's, just because I'm gonna be so busy. But I already have these two items, and I did open the first one just to make sure it was nice and presentable, which it wasn't, and so I'm glad I opened it, but I will make sure to take it back for you. First thing I got is a really big kit, and I think you guys really love it just because I present the Makartt seasonal concertos, I think. Concertos, I think. It's 16 color nail gel extension kit. It's so good. I'm gonna open it. Come on, focus on me. Oh my god, look at it. It's so cute. 3 months from now, you're going to thank me. Okay, but you get 16 beautiful colors. I will swatch the ones I have because, again, I do already have this kit. There's this one with shade 1602. I have used this one before. There's 1603. There's 1604. 1605. That's a nice baby picture. A baby pink. 1605. 1606. Here's 1608. Oh, good lord. 1610. 1611. That's a really pretty nude. 1612. That's a nice gray. 1613. 1614. 1615. That's right nice and chocolate. So not least 1616, which I like. And the next one, dun, dun, oh, did you see that? Is the nail lamp. I actually have this nail lamp, so I'm not gonna open this one. And this is the nail lamp. Mine is dirty on the inside because I've just been going and going and going. It is a sensor. I usually use 30 seconds. I don't really like the half power because it takes so long. And oh yeah, and this detaches. So I will be debating between 1 to 2 winners within the next couple of days. So make sure to show some love. I don't even know. Oh, and I also got these Handfiles. It's 180 and 100 180 grit, and I'm thinking I'll just throw this in there too, you know, just spoil. One winner. Okay. Oh, how to enter? Well, first, be subscribed and make sure you got your post notice turned on. 2, comment down below. Comment. I don't know. I'm trying to think of something like nail related. Comment down a set you would do with this kit. So I'm meaning, go watch the YouTube videos of people opening and reviewing this kit and tell me what you would do. Be crazy. Like, when I read your comment, I want to see the vision in my head. But I'm gonna say this, because the opportunity, the chance is much greater for you to win. If you don't win, I would feel bad, because like 5 winners, and then I could just give someone Handfiles, give someone a kit, and give someone a thing. So I don't want to do that, because, well, I don't mind, but it's like weird. Because if I give you a polygel kit, do you have a nail lamp? And if I give you a nail lamp, do you have polygel? If I give you Handfiles, you got anything to follow? So it's like confusion. Yeah, but with that being said, we're gonna get right on to this review. Also, thank you to Glamourmade. This video is in collaboration with Glamourmade. Make a heart. Thanks, Glamourmade. Hold on. These nails are extra cute, and I got 5 packs. 5. The first pack is, hold on, let's just get into this packaging. It's got directions on the back, how to use, Oh, and look at the hollow. Oh my god, it's picking up on camera. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yes, I'm so glad. Glamourmade, Mermaid, and then Glam. I think it's cute. These are press-on nails and they have adhesive tabs in there. Okay. Step number 2 is this really cute red one. I think. Hold on. I'll put the names of these on the screen just so you're not confused. And then this one. Ooh. And then I got this. And the long coffin, medium almond. Or yeah, medium almond. Look at these. Or they call them stiletto, I think, but those are more like almond shapes. And these are matte, and these are matte. But these are shiny. This is the only pair of glossy nails I got. If the wind is blowing, it's because I have my window open. It just sounds so good. And then I got this pair of like the stiletto almond and matte. I think this is beautiful. But then I also have them in the short coffin, medium coffin, I think, because I don't know, there's something about this design that's just making me want to make love, you know? I'm gonna do some quick nail prep just so you know. I'm gonna do some nail prep. Okay, I'm not gonna put on the ones that I want to wear for the baptism, and I want to say that's this pair, but I'm gonna try these on and I'm gonna show you guys how they will look. Everything that's in the packaging, and then, oh, and sticky tabs. Okay, nail prep. The haul. I'm gonna keep this. Look at that. And this is what the nails look like. They're white. Oh, I think these are gonna be like big, but I kind of like that. See, I'm not opposed to this. Okay, so I'm gonna size out my nails real quick. While I'm just sizing the tips to my nails, I just want to do a little voiceover to give you guys a little background about Glamourmade. Glamourmade is a press-on nail business, and they have a huge variety of press-ons coming with different lengths and designs. There were a bunch on the website when I was looking, so you guys make sure definitely to go check them out. Do those. I'm gonna use this thing. The fan. Can I get copyrighted for singing a song? The Phantom of the Opera is there. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'll probably time lapse like the other process, but he had a cuticle pusher, which I'm not gonna use. Oh, my nails. Is that what it's supposed to mean? Uh-oh, my nails. That's cute. And then you get a prep pad, and I'm actually going to use this and just wipe my nails down. This one, I think, is my thumb. Let's see, push it in, press it, and then peel, and then fit it, and then press it. Oh wait, that's kind of cute. Okay. And with Glamourmade, you can get tons of unique manicures at a moderate price. I'm telling you, these are definitely cheaper than when I was selling press-ons, like definitely. And so if you think my prices are expensive, go to Glamourmade, and they're not, and I promise that you will love them. They can match anything, your daily dress, any occasion, party, wedding, work, and so on. Like I said, I wanted to wear mine to the baptism. Are those nails good enough for baptism? I think they are. And so with this, you can like change out designs anywhere, anytime, and express your style without any hesitation because of the sticky tabs. Now, I know not everyone likes sticky tabs, but if you want to do your nails and change your nails every day like I do, I think the sticky tabs are what we need. And so, I don't know, just go show Glamourmade some love. This is what these ones look like. I am going to just wipe over some acetone. Well, not the acetone, this white. Just to give them color, and it didn't transfer. But these are the nails. The next set that I am excited to try are these long Coffin nails. These are so cute. No, talk to me. You don't want to talk. I tried to talk to you. Okay, that's a middle finger. Put this on here. And then my middle finger. I want another darker one. I like to give it a very nice push until I'm like, my finger hurts. But look at those. Oh my god, they're beautiful. Yeah, I'm definitely going to like put these on. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put these on for a baptism. These are not my favorite anymore. These are, oh my god. I'm gonna give away this pair of press-ons just because I think it's cute. Oh my god, I don't even want to take these off. Look at them. I just wanted to stop in and say thank you again to Glamourmade for reaching out to me. I literally love these nails and they're so cute, and I really just could not decide which set that I want to wear for the baptism because they all look so good, especially the ones that I'm putting on now. I'm actually like really obsessed with this set too, and I wouldn't be able to pick. The last set that I am going to try on is this red set. This is the only shiny set I picked, and I really love the plaid detail because I could not do that nail art work on my nails to save my life, so I definitely love it. Here's what these nails are looking like. These ones, they're cute. They're my favorite, but hold on. The red is giving. And the white, get like a really good close up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and to check out Glamourmade down below, I will make sure to link everything down below. I don't know if I get a discount code. If I do, it'll be on the screen, but I'm gonna link everything down below. Make sure you go check that out. Make sure you also follow the rules to be able to win the giveaway. I'm giving away a pack of press-ons. I'm giving away a UV LED nail lamp from Makartt, and I think it retails for like $48-50 bucks. So you getting that. And then the seasonal concertos kit, it's got 16 colors. You're getting that from Makartt. That retails for like 72 bucks. So I'm giving it to you all for the low price of being subscribed and having my post notifications turned on. I feel like I blink a lot, but yeah, so be subscribed and have my post notifications turned on. Oh, comment down below what type of set you would do with the Makartt Concertos kit. And then after that, follow me on September 6th and make sure to comment your Instagram down below so I can go check and make sure you're following me. But with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I want to say thank you again to Glamourmade for sponsoring, for the collab, for being the reason that I felt like I needed to do a giveaway. So thank you, and I hope everyone has an amazing day. Again, shop with Glamourmade. I'll put everything down below. Their press-on nails are really good, especially for the price and the quality. Do it. Yeah, that's it. Join the giveaway. I hope you like the colors of the Custard kit, because you're gonna get it. You about to get it. And yeah, have a nice day, a nice night, a nice everything, and I hope you have an amazing Christmas. And yeah, thumbs up for Vlogmas Day 20.